Email Marketing Revolution, video number 12. D. How to use split testing, A/B testing, to create results. It's vital to run A/B tests when trying out new techniques or formats for your email campaigns. Let's find out how to use it for better results. Decide what you'll test. Things you might consider testing include call to action, subject line, testimonials, the layout of the message, personalization, body text, headline, closing text, images, or anything else. Test your whole list or just part. The larger your test sample, the more accurate your results will be. Make sure that the split is done randomly too. What does success mean? Before you send out your email versions, it's important to decide what you'll be testing for and what you consider success. Tools for testing. Most email campaign software has built-in tools for A/B testing. Also, you can set one up manually. Analyze the results. There are a few different categories of results you'll want to look at: the open rate, the click-through rate, the conversion rate once they're on your website. Best practices. Always test simultaneously to reduce the chance your results will be skewed by time-based factors. Test as large a sample as you can for more accurate results. Listen. The empirical data collected, not your gut instinct. Best practices. Use tools available to you for quicker and easier A/B testing. Test early and test often for the best results. Only test one variable at a time for best results. Conclusion. Split testing all your emails can help you find out quickly what your audience responds to and increase email marketing conversions. Thank you. Thanks for watching it. See you in the next video.